What's up everybody, it's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2013 Yamaha FZ6R. Take a quick walk around this thing so you can see this thing up close and personal. See exactly what you're looking at with this particular bike. Starting the rear tire. You see the rear tire has been ridden on, it's worn down a little bit. You got a little bit of the highway strip going on there. It's still pretty decent though. I'm going to call it like maybe 40%. A lot of life left on it, good to go for any kind of inspection. It is chain driven. There's your chain and the rear sprocket, and there's your rear brake on that side. Look up here, we can see that the guy did the Undertail Kits. You got the turn signals here and the license plate mount, and you got your tail light coming around the side. It is kind of this like pearl white almost looking color, and it does have the red frame with some black accents. I think it's a very nice looking bike. The paint's in decent shape. You can see the black rear wheel there, the red accent stripe going around. There's your rear brake. Got your swing arm, passenger peg there, rider peg, shifter. As you can see, the frame is red, gives it a good accent. All that stuff's in good shape. There you can see the rear spring. See as much of the motor as you can, covered up mostly by the plastics, but get in there. You see the tank is in nice shape. There's some light marks here in the tank. Just want to point those out. There's that. Got a little bit of white mark there on that little side cover. Here you can see the front fairing and the lower fairing, all in decent shape. There's that. Jump up here, you can see the back of the handlebars. Got your mirror, your windscreen. See the front of the bike there. Got the headlight. All this stuff's in pretty nice shape. Got some small marks on there. I think it's just coming off my fingernail, just a little bit of bug juice kicked on. This one, there is like a scratch right here though that I want to point out. But that one, and then this one right here. So there's that. Headlight, front fender. Front fender's in pretty decent shape. There's a light mark on it right there. It's your front tire. Front tire is about the same as the back tire. I'm in good shape. But it has been ridden on. It does have the dual rotors up front for the brakes. So there's that side. There's that side. Spin it around. Bearings on this side. Decent. Kind of a weird spot for an inspection sticker. I'm not sure why that is there, but it is. There's the tank. Make sure. Light mark on the tank up here with my pointer finger. There we go. Yeah, all this stuff's in pretty good shape. See as much of the motor as you can. It's not very much, but there it is. There you can see the chain going back to the rear sprocket and the chain guard. Got your rider peg, shifter, passenger peg. Jump up here to the top. See the passenger seat. Most of these seats are in good shape. I don't see any rips or tears. There are these, like, you can see this like one mark here and this mark here, but it's not a rip, so I'm not really sure what caused that. Other than that, the seat's in good shape. Same thing with the rider seat, in good condition, coming up over the tank. Here's some of these marks that I pointed out earlier from the sides. Got your fuel cap, your handlebar, clutch, controls, throttle, brake. I mean, you guys know the drill. Got your mirror here, turn it on. You can see that there is 6,478 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive. That should be up on YouTube. Fire this thing up. Sounds pretty good. Let's make sure these turn signals work. There's that side. There's the other side. Jump back here in the back. There's that side. And the other side. All right, guys, like I said, this is a 2013 Yamaha FZ6R, the 600cc. It's not the full sport bike, so it's detuned a little bit, but it's a very nice motorcycle. And that is that. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching.